Okay, we've let this set up for a few hours. So we're going to glue our next piece on. So we're going to take this piece and we'll glue this onto here. Then we'll clamp it and let it set overnight so it gets a good seal and a bond on that. And make sure you cover the entire piece with glue. And be sure you put notes on, write your notes on there for your left and right side or your A and B side, so you don't mess up your pieces when you're putting them together. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions or comments, put them in my comment section. I'll get back with you. But just take your time at putting these pieces together so you don't make a mistake. So we'll start clamping this down, and you just want to make them snug at first so you get it set where you want it. Because it will slide as you tighten it. Good there. Got this clamp, we'll let it set overnight, and then we'll sand it down, round it down. Thanks for watching.